Ayan guys, nagluto tayo guys ng hotcake guys. Ang ating vlog for today guys ay magluto tayo ng hotcake. Ayan, hotcake. Pancake. Ay, malambot pa. Today is 25 April 25, 2025 guys. Okay guys, our vlog for today is making pancake or hotcake. Tantan recipe. Ayan guys. Hello guys, meron tayong ginagawang hotcake guys. Yan hotcake guys. Yan hotcake. Hotcake guys, hotcake. Pancake guys, gawa tayo ng pancake guys. Pancake. Ito rin na natin to. Pancake ito eh, pancake. Finished product guys, finished product. This is a finished product. Pancake guys, pancake. Yan, banana. Yan. Salt, food coloring. Ayan. Yes. Then oil. Okay. Mas na. Another one. Little spread. Yes. Yes, our pancake. After 2 minutes, yeah, like that. 2 minutes or 1 minute. After 1 minute, then this one okay. Have a little. Yes guys. This is our pancake guys. Okay, then finish. One more. Our ingredients is banana, food coloring, milk condensed, water, salt, and other one? Vanilla, oil, water, okay, and flour. Yes. This is our ingredients. All-purpose flour. Banana, one egg. Don't forget. Banana, one egg. 1 tablespoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon yes, then half cup oil, 2 cup of flour, 3 cup of flour, and half tablespoon of salt. Yan. Then 3 cup of water. Finish our product. Yes. One more. Oh. Yes. Little spread. to make bigger. Yeah. This is our homemade pancake. Guys, you know guys, this is our pancake guys. Pancake. Homemade pancake guys. Yun. How many pieces? This is what is that? Break time, break time. Break time. Break time. Break time. Okay guys. Bye-bye guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye guys. Okay, wait. Wait. Until 1 minute. Okay. Balik tarin. Okay guys. Balik tarin. Wow. Okay guys. Yeah. One more. Okay. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye. Ganito na lang tayo guys. Ito na ito yung product guys. Okay. Bye-bye you. Bye-bye you guys. Bye-bye you. Ayan. Bye-bye you. Okay. Bye-bye. Mami. Tapos na nakaluto na kami. Okay. Merienda, break time, merienda. Pang break time. Okay, bye-bye you.